So hey guys, let's start with the 12th question of LeetCode March challenge. The question is check if string contains all binary codes of size k. Let's read the problem statement. Okay, given a binary string s and an integer k. Okay, return true if every binary code of length k is a substring of s. Otherwise, return false. Okay, return true if every binary code of length k is a substring of s. Okay, let's explain better with an example. Let's take this example. Okay, see here we are given k equals to 2 and we have to return true if every binary code of length k is a substring of s. It means that for k equals to 2 there are the possibilities of binary codes are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. There are four possibilities. Okay, and we have to find whether all these are substring of this string s. Okay, let's see here. 0 0 is here. Okay, 0 1 is also here. Okay, that's true. 1 0 is here. Okay, that's true. And 1 1 is also there. So all the possible binary codes with length k are in this string s. So our answer would be true in that case. Let's see another example. This example also here k equals to 2. So we have to check whether 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1 are there or not. So 0 0 is here, 0 1 is here, 1 1 is here and 1 0 is also here. So it will also return true in this case. Let's check for k equals to 1. In case of k equals to 1, we only have 0 and 1 binary codes possible. So 0 is here and 1 is here. So it is also true. Let's check this. K equals to 2 is given and we have to check whether all the possible binary codes are available in this string s or not. So 0 1 is here, okay, 1 1 is here and 1 0 is here, but 0 0 is not here. Okay, if the question was given we have to find subsequences, then that is possible here because we can combine 0 and 0 here, but we are asked to find substring, so this is not possible in this case. So our answer will be false in this case. Let's check with this example. Okay, let's check this example in detail. Let's paste it here. Okay, for k equals to 4, what are the possibilities? 0 0 0, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 1 1. Okay, let's put in here. 1 1 and 1 are possible. 0 0 0 1 is possible. 1 0 0 is possible. 0 0 1 1 is possible. 1 1 0 0 is possible. Sorry. Okay. And 1 1 1 1 1 0 is possible. 0 0 0 1 is possible. And what are the other possible? Okay, 0 1 1 1 is possible, and then 0 0 0 1 is there, 1 1 1 0 is there, 0 1 1 1 is there. So 1 0 0 0 is also, so I have already taken it. Let's take another. 0 0 1 1 is there, 1 1 0 0 is there, 1 triple 0 is there, 1 1 0 is there, 1 1 1 0 is there, 0 1 1 is there, 1 0 1 1 and also 0 1 0 0, 0 0 1 0, 0 1 0 1 and also 1 0 1 0. Count how many are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So two are missing, because we know that for all the given size, the combinations of binary code are to power of 2 comma a, power of 2 की power k, okay, power of k to the power 2, okay, 2 comma k, which is basically equals to 2 raised to the power k. So for the size given k equals to 4, we have 16 here. 16 possible binary codes are there. Okay, what I am missing here. Okay, let's check these if it satisfies or not. Let's say 0 0 0 is here. Okay, 0 0 0 0 is here. 1 1 1 is here. Okay, 1 1 1 is not here. So I will return false from this place. So our answer would be false in this case. Let's check the it is possible. Yes, it is here. Let's check the constants. What are the constants given? The length of the string given will be 5 into 10 raised to the power 5, and s contains only 190. Okay, it is already talked in later, and k is in the range of 1 to 20. So we the size k will be in the range of 1 to 20. Okay, so our base case can be found from here. Okay, see if it is there or not. So there is one base case here. Base case would be if size of the string, means s dot size, is less than k. In that case, there is not possibility to form such binary code. So answer would be false in this case. Okay, this is the base case. Let's see how can we implement all the examples through code. Okay, there are two approaches. First is brute force. What I can do is, first I will store all the possible binary codes with the length k. What I have done here is, you can see here, these are the possibilities with the length k equals to 2. And then what I will do is, then I will find whether it is possible in this string or not. So I have already done here. I have checked all the binary codes in this string. So this was the first approach, but we can optimize it further, because if we do like this, then it will maybe it will exceed time limit. Okay, because the size of the possible binary codes is very large. If k equals to I say 14 is given, then 2 raised to the power 14 is very big number. Let's see the optimized solution. What I can do is, first store all the substring of s. So I will store all the substring of s here. So let's delete it here. And substring of 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 are 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, and what I will do is, I will store only unique value. So I will use either map set. Okay, so unique values are 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and I can clearly see here these are all the possible sets of size k equals to 2. So this is the answer, and we will return true in that case. But in this example, we clearly saw here that this is not possible to create all the substrings from string s, and k equals to 4 gives 16 possible codes, and it fails at 1 1 1 1 1. So in that case, answer would be 1. So let's try to implement this optimized solution. How can we implement it? First, what I will do is, I will create a set to store unique value. So I will use an ordered set, because while insertion it gives us O of 1 time complexity. So unordered set of type string, because we are inserting a string from substring from string s, and let's name it ss. Okay, and then what I will do is, I will iterate over the string equals to 0, until the size, okay, minus k, because we have to check for next two binary codes. Okay, so what I will do is I will next next case, sorry, because in this case k equals to 2, so I will check for the further two codes here. In this case I will check 0, then 1, then 1, then 0. So and go until that place. So I have used equal to here, then I will increment it. After this step, you can see here, then first store all the substring of s. To store substring we have the inbuilt functions substr. So what I will do is I will insert. So for insertion in set, what I will do is ss dot insert. This is the function. And for storing the substrings, what I will do is I will store the substring of s. So s dot substr, and up to what size, because I am starting from I, and the size we have to insert in the set is 2 k. In this case k is here, so I will start from I and go until the size k. So this is all done here. We have inserted all the unique pairs from this string s. Next what I will do is I will check whether, from here you can see here, for a value k there are possible 2 raised to the power k possible binary codes are there. So I will check whether the size of the set is equals to power of 2 with k. Okay, let's check whether the size is equal to, if s dot size equals to power 2 raised to the power k. Okay, because we if we have unique sets equals to 2 raised to the power k, then our answer will be true in this case, because all the sets are possible here. And if it is failing, then I will return false in that case. I think it is pretty clear from this. Let's run some sample test cases. Okay, paste all the sample test cases from here. Let's run it. Okay, it is failing here. गलत कहाँ हो रहा है? It's s dot size, sorry, ss dot size, because we have to compare the size of set, because all the binary unicodes are in the set, not in the string s, because we already given string and we have to find unique binary codes from that string. So this is it. So okay, true is here. Let's check another example. Let's say in which our answer was false. This is here. And the number of k is 4. Let's check it whether it is true or not. Okay, so it is giving right answer. So let's submit it. So the answer is accepted. So this is it for it. Let's try to implement this solution. Okay, thank you.